Hello everyone, how you doing? It is very happy to see you again and welcome back to our channel. Let's get practice into the Microsoft Excel exercise. So in this video, I'd like to show you how to create the numbering in the Microsoft Excel, and here I'm still using the Microsoft Excel of 2019, so that unfortunately it is not provided or provide you the sequence formula or sequence function. But there is also the alternative that you can use to make the numbering here. So if you are the beginner like me in the years ago, I might still write every single number manually, and I will just drag this down and this is the result. Well, there's no problem with that, but here I'll show you the trick. The first alternative, here I will show you. So the first step, I will type 1 here in the cell of the C5 and whatever you have the cell when you place it. And after that, I will direct my cursor into this home and this menu fill. Click the arrow down and click series. Let's say you want to make the numbering from the 1 until 100, and then I will type 100, and make sure if you would like to make the numbering in this column, then you click column. And there you go. When you click OK, it's already and automatically make you the numbering here. And what if I try to make the numbering horizontally for this row? Here I'll show you. I will click one here, and after that, after you type one here, one number, and enter it, and go back to the cell where the number 1 is placed, and I will click this home and fill, click the arrow down and click series. Let's say I would like to make the numbering from 1 to 10, but in the same row, in the row 5. Then I will keep this click row activated and OK. There you go. This is the result of the numbering if you want to make the numbering horizontally. Then I will delete it. Or you have also another alternative to make the numbering. And this one we will use the function of row. On the cell of F5 here, where we will do the exercise, kindly type equal and row. You can also type it in the full of capital letter or give it a click, double click, and as you can see here, the open parenthesis also appear, and close it and give it a minus and type row again, give it a double click, and as you can see here, there is the open parenthesis and type the place where the cell activate. It is on the cell F5, then I will type F5 and close it, and lock it with the F4 on your keyboard and close it with the close parenthesis, and there you go. Enter. And after that, you can just drag it down or just give it a double click. And let's do the comparison. Let's say I would love to delete this row of 9, and here's the look. There you go. On the alternative one, the number 5 is gone, but it is already jumped into the number 6. But when we use this formula, as you can see here, the number 5 still exists and is it and the continued number here. So it is your preference where you would like to use the formula or the formatting. That's all guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and if you guys want to know our another video tutorial, please don't forget to follow and subscribe this channel. I see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.